In this tutorial I will show you how to create this text portrait effect in Photoshop. Drag your image to Photoshop. Let's hide them for. Now go to Adjustment Layer and choose Solid Color. Choose black color and then press OK. Let's unhide the images. The image layer should be over the text layer. Click here and choose Create Clipping Mask. Press Ctrl J to make a copy. Now go to View. Choose New Guide Layout. Set the columns to 2 and then press OK. Choose the Marquee Selection tool. Follow the process. Add a layer mask. That's it. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.